everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to make a veg Galouti Kebab. For the ingredients we will need 150 grams of kidney beans which have been soaked overnight, 50 grams of soybean chunks, and for the spice mixture we will need an onion which has been browned, 1/3 cup of besan, half a lemon and 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cream and 1 tablespoon of ghee. And we will also need some rose water, some kevda water, a few sprigs of mint leaves, a few sprigs of coriander leaves, and some Galouti masala. And for the Galouti masala, we will need half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 4 to 5 pieces of green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of dried rose petals, 1 mace, 15 to 20 broken cashews, or you can use whole cashews, just reduce the quantity by half. Now I will take these kidney beans and I will place them in the pressure cooker. Now I'll add some salt, around a tablespoon, and some water. Now I will close the lid and put the pressure cooker on a medium heat and cook the rajma. Now while my rajma cooks, I will start to make the dry masala for the kebab. Now I will start assembling my kebab mixture. I'll add some kevda water, around 1 teaspoon, some rose water in the same quantity, a few sprigs of mint leaves, a few sprigs of coriander leaves, the pre-soaked and boiled soybean chunks, the browned onion, the toasted besan, the ginger garlic paste, some cream, some ghee, 2 broken chilies, and the juice of half a lemon. And I'll also add some salt, some dried mango powder or amchur, and some Kashmiri chili. And in the end, I will add my Galouti masala. And now I will grind it into a very fine paste. Now I will take the mixture and place it in my grinder bowl. And now the mixture for my kebabs are ready. Now I'll make them. So I'll take some oil on my palms so that the mixture does not stick. I'll take a bit and make it into a tikki shape. Now my tikkis are ready and I will shallow fry them in a non-stick pan. Now I'll take a little bit of oil so that the kebabs get a really nice color, and I will spread them on my frying pan. Now make sure to not use too much oil. You can also use ghee. Now I will fry the kebabs until they get a really nice color from both sides. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise it will be very difficult to flip the kebabs. Now it's time to flip the kebabs one by one. Now the kebabs are ready. Now I can start plating them.